In the circuit shown in the figure, the channel length modulation of all transistors is non-zero, which means lambda is not equal to 0. So we cannot neglect channel length modulation. Also, all transistors operate in saturation and have negligible body effect. The AC small signal voltage gain of the circuit is. Now if you look at the circuit, this transistor M2 is a diode connected Mosfet, and consider M3. M3 has a constant gate voltage, and as it is given that all transistors are in saturation region, if M3 is in saturation region with a fixed VGS, it is going to work like a current source. In that case, in AC equivalent model, we can say it has only a resistance which is R03 because of channel length modulation effect. So VDD will be grounded in small signal analysis, and the diode connected MOSFET offers small signal resistance of R02 in parallel with GM2. 2 is representing the MOS transistor 2 here. Now coming to the first MOS transistor, which actually has the input applied, which is AC input. We are measuring output here. So let's take out the small signal equivalent resistance for channel length modulation out of this, which will be R01. In this case, because of a change in Vin, we are going to have a current flowing here, which is GM1 times VGS1, which is in fact Vin. Now this can be further reduced to a circuit like this, where the current flowing here is GM times Vin, which means this entire current is going to flow through a parallel combination of these three resistors. But of course, when this current flows in this way, we are going to have positive here, negative here, but the output voltage reference measurement will be positive, negative. Hence, we can say the output voltage V0 is equal to the current flowing through all the three parallel combination resistors, that is GM1 times Vin times R01 in parallel with R03 in parallel with R02 in parallel with GM2. So hence we can write V0 over Vin is equal to minus GM1 times R01 in parallel with R03 in parallel with R02 parallel with GM2. So let's look at the options. So option C has this expression, which is the correct answer.